Hi guys, we are going to work on the Millionaire Mindset workshop today. So this is a preview of what I do on the Lifetime program, which is including a 5-day retreat in Monaco and monthly coaching calls, and it's ultimately designed to make you a very, very successful person financially, emotionally, physically, relationships, etc. It's like the 360 of success. It's my favorite program. If I had to pick any one program, I would just pick this one to teach and nothing else. So it guarantees success. It guarantees results because I combine neuroscience, I combine quantum physics, I combine human behavioral psychology, all the techniques that I've learned for 15 years plus, and it's incredible. So I can't wait.
I'm like nothing but an order that we all walked downstairs and queued up and took our snacks and shoots on. Bang, these calls.
Hi guys, I want you to meet Amara. Amara is an incredible entrepreneur, mom. She's just so good with money. She's just been on my Millionaire Mindset workshop.
Yep.
Tell them how it's helped you with everything, including being a mom with your kids and money.
I think it's been amazing going through the subconscious level about how money affects you, and for me to dig past to the past to see how what's affected me from my growing up age, and I've realized the good qualities that I have, maybe I got from my dad or my mom, and how I'm transferring it to my kids now, how I want them not to be scared of money, how I want them to feel it and touch it and be in control, because it's something man-made and you can make it and lose it.
I love it. How many parents do you hear saying that about money? Not many. Most parents are scared of money or scared of like losing it.
Yeah.
So,
but it's very good to teach the kids from early. You know, my kids are 15, 7 and 12, but I tell them, I teach them, I allow them to feel it and know that they shouldn't be ashamed of it or scared of it. So that's a good one today.
Any parents looking to help your children talk about money, be like Amara, follow Amara. She's amazing and she's an inspiring female. I want dads as well to be like this. This is so important. So hi guys, so I'm going to introduce you to Christopher Mensa, who was an ex-Olympic athlete training for incredible things, but he's come to my Millionaire Mindset workshop and I love people with his mindset. So Christopher, how did you find it today?
It was actually fantastic. It was a great insight into myself, into some of the things that are holding me back. And I think the value from the people that attended the event made me think a lot more about how I can overcome some of my limiting beliefs.
Because with Christopher, I want to see him making his financial goal every month fully possible. He knows now how he can get that done too, and what areas you got to work on.
That's right, for sure.
So, anybody else who's on the kind of thinking they want to make more money but they don't know how, what would you say?
Well, the main thing is that you have to identify some of the areas in your life that need improving, and where some of the limitations have come from initially to create that foundation. The Tree of Wealth was a great example of that, and I think some of the 6 areas I'll definitely be working on myself.
Good. 6 areas we get in the Millionaire Mindset workshop. If you guys want to find out, then you should join the next workshop, like Christopher did. He's been amazing. I want more people like him. I love it. Thank you for being such a great caliber individual in my workshop.
All right, you're welcome, definitely. I definitely recommend it.
Thank you. Bye. Hi guys, I want to introduce you to Karolina, who's come on she's done everything. She's done my trading program, online trading. I've met her online so many times on my coaching, and this time she's come in person on the Millionaire Mindset workshop. How did you find it?
It was wonderful. I got so many things to work on. I realized many things.
Yep.
Like it's, well, you cannot do it alone. because someone has to point out the things to you.
Yes.
It's like you think you know the things, but then when somebody comes and say like, okay, think about this, do that, and like, oh, you're like, oh my god, it's really like,
pushes you out the comfort zone. Yeah.
Yes, and I've definitely been pushed today, so
Yes, she actually feels scared, which I love, because she knows I'm pushing her to that level of growth, which is scary, and that's what you should be looking out for. If you're doing things that make you feel comfortable, you're not growing at all. You have to get out the comfort zone. Yeah?
yes, exactly. Be scared and do it.
Yes. But as long as you know you're becoming the person that you want to be, are you going to be excited about who you're going to become?
Yes,
Yeah?
I am.
That's
yes.
the key. So if you are going to be happy about the person you're becoming on that journey, that's when you know you're moving in the right direction. If you didn't like yourself in that journey, then that's never going to work. Does that make sense?
Yes. Oh no, I love myself in the journey and who will I become.
So what would you say to someone who, let's say, was you last year and was thinking about pushing themselves? How would you encourage them to work on themselves and do something like this workshop?
To get a coach, to get someone who will tell you exactly what to do, because if you're not there yet,
Yes.
you need someone who is on the level you want to be,
Yeah.
to tell you the exact steps what you have to do to achieve it.
Good.
You will never do it alone. I tried.
Yeah, you can waste years trying. This is
Yes.
going to accelerate your growth, get you the results, make you happier in your personal life, your freedom of your lifestyle. Money is guaranteed when you do it that way. Does that make sense?
Yes, there was always, when I do it alone, there's always something missing. Like when I think I already achieved it, but then something comes and like, oh no, I didn't. So that's why when you have someone to tell you, to point out to you, to tell you what your next steps will be, you
Yeah.
get there faster.
Yes.
So
Helping you with the problems, that's the key, isn't it? We love problems when we coach on the Millionaire Mindset program. So if you feel like, oh, I don't know how to deal with X, Y, Z, that's where you come. Karolina has grown so much in the few months that we've been coaching her. So proud, really excited about the future.
thank you. Yes, I'm
Thanks.
very excited too.
Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.